again. So hindi ko na masyadong pahabain to, guys. KCOX UFC collaboration is a testament that anything is possible as long as you work hard and you go for it. And itong collaboration na to, it speaks a lot about how a young kid can turn a very small business into a thriving one, and how this small venture na ngayon changing thousands of lives, and madami nang tumitikim at nasasarapan, di ba? And I would like to thank the UFC team for the effort and sacrifices para sa ginawa niyo sa event na to. And para marinig natin kung bakit ba talaga nangyari no, para marinig natin kung ano ang pwedeng marating ng ganitong klaseng collaboration with them. Guys, itong tao ipapakilala ko, sobrang lupit. Diba? Sobrang lupit. Siya lang naman naging way para maging posible itong ganitong klaseng event. UFC X KCO. She's the one to call if you want, diba? Makakolaborate din ng UFC. Gusto niyo na ba siya makilala? Yes. Guys, I would like to introduce Miss Leia Barin, NutriAsia Food Service Group Head.
Energetic and very young group dito sa atin ngayon as we present our collaboration. I am Leia and I am from UFC, and we are thrilled to be partnering with KCO Kangkong Chips because every great chip deserves the perfect dip, hindi po ba? And that's exactly what KCO and UFC brings together. The crispy, crunchy KCO Kangkong Chips paired with our creamy and cheesy UFC Cheesy Overload. And that's a snacking match na unbeatable. So, ihanda nyo na yan para sa inyong gaming mamaya at sa inyong Netflix binge for this weekend, no? So,
Saan ito, ha? Baka po mag-backdown kayo.
Special day, it is not just contract signing, it is the celebration of a dream. Kangkong Chips Original started with a simple idea to turn a humble ingredient into something extraordinary, a snack that would bring joy to every table. But there was a vision to make it even better. The search began for a flavor that could perfectly match the crunch of canchos. The dream was shared with UFC, and UFC believed they